The sunlight catches the falling water, creating a shimmering veil of silver mist. Further down the river, the sound of thundering water grows louder. The guides slow the boats, pointing ahead, where a majestic waterfall crashes down from the cliffs above. The waterfall, over 40 feet high, creates a misty curtain that sparkles in the morning sunlight. The boat drifts closer, and we can feel the cool spray on our faces. Beneath the falls, a deep blue pool forms, a perfect place to stop. Back in the boats, we continue our journey, entering a narrow gorge where the river picks up speed. The water rushes over smooth stones, creating playful rapids that send cool splashes over the sides of the boat.